Hey folks, Chris from Dean Stove and Spa here. Today we're going to be talking about the GreenSmart 2 remote by Travis Industries. If you have a Fireplace Xtrordinair or Lopi fireplace insert, stove, or fireplace, this is going to be your go-to instructional guide for the features and functions that this remote control offers. All right, so with your GreenSmart 2 remote, you have three main buttons on the remote. You have your power button, thermostat button, and your mode button. So right now, if we click our mode button while the unit's off, it's going to show what pilot mode you're in. So CPI stands for continuous pilot ignition. And as you can see, we have a continuously burning pilot in the insert. Now, if I drop that down to IPI, IPI stands for intermittent pilot ignition. So if the unit's off, your pilot is off as well. Now in this IPI mode, you can still just turn the unit on. That pilot will light itself automatically, and after a short delay, the burner will light up off of that. During the colder months of the heating season, we strongly recommend keeping the unit in a continuous pilot ignition. That small pilot is going to allow the unit to be retaining heat so that when you turn it on, the flame will be stronger and get up to temperature a lot quicker. During the off-season, spring and summer, putting that unit into an IPI or an intermittent pilot is as easy as clicking a few buttons on the remote control. And if you get a chilly night or morning in the spring, you can still just turn the unit on via the remote control without having to light the pilot manually. So beyond your pilot function, this remote control is going to give you full functionality over all of the features that your unit offers. You're going to navigate these icons with your mode button. So the first one is your flame height. Gives you 6 settings for that, 6 settings for your fan speed, 6 settings for an overhead accent light. You have what's called comfort control. This unit has a split flow burner, so you can choose to have the back half of the burner turn off independently from the front half. And then last is this auxiliary button, and that is going to control your ember glow lighting on your traditional models, or on your more contemporary, your mod fires. It's going to control your underlighting as well. And finally, your remote control is also a thermostat. So in the upper left-hand corner here, it's going to give you the indicator of what setting you're in, either off, on, or smart. Off means you're in a manual mode. So you're going to control the level of the flame height as long as the duration the fireplace is running for. If you click your thermostat button once, you'll go into an on thermostat. This allows you to choose a desired temperature for the unit to turn on or off at, but you're also able to control your flame height. Now, if you press this one more time, you're going to go into a smart mode. Smart mode is a modulation thermostat. You have no direct control over the flame height. What it'll do is the closer you get to your desired temperature, the flame will actually start to drop down incrementally.
2 degrees. 1 degree.
So this GreenSmart mode is by far the most cost-effective way to run the unit because it's going to minimize your fuel consumption based on how much heat you're calling for, but it also allows you to enjoy the aesthetic of the fire for longer periods of time without blowing yourself out of the room with all the heat that you're producing. All right, folks, that is your tour of the GreenSmart 2 remote control system by Travis Industries. With the click of a button, full functionality over your gas appliance, by far the most user-friendly remote control system in our industry. If you are an existing customer of Dean Stove and Spa or looking to purchase a gas unit, be sure to stop into either our Plantsville location or our new Hartford location to see these units in person. Thank you.